your options correctly. And today I'll show you how you can use my strategies even in a car or when you're very busy. So if you're just a beginner or you're playing your hobby with your main work, this video is especially for you. So let's start. These are the currency pairs I picked up for you today. I'll use the fractal, alligator and RSI indicators. So I decided to stay on this currency and I'll open a deal for a reduction. The local minimum will be updated soon. Respectively, the chart will go down. I think so. We also see that the alligator lines are already starting to turn down, and the RSI chart confirms my opinion. And we are waiting to the deal to close. And the deal has closed. This is just the beginning and we're moving on. Let's move on to the next currency pair. This is a similar situation here and we will open for a decrease too. I assume that the local maximum will be updated in this area where the fractal indicator and our chart will go down. You can also notice how the alligator begins to turn around here. And the most important thing is a clear signal from the RSI. It has already turned around and it reminds to wait a little. A very easy profit, great start and changing the currency pair. Here we immediately open for a decline. While there is a good entry position, this is the third downgrade in a row. The local maximum has already been updated. There was a normal price rollback. The white lines begin to upfold, and the RSI doesn't contradict. Everything goes according to the textbooks. A very successful deal. And there is a plus $111 and a lot of motivation here. Let's move on. Again, the standard situation, we are opening for a decrease. Let's look at the chart in more detail. As we can see, the local maximum has updated here, and the small price correction occurred immediately after the update. I think that the update of the local maximum will be repeated. This is also evidented by the reversal of the alligator and the RSI. An insanely easy deal, as you can see. Very easily and simply we got a profit, and now we will. But first I'll interrupt you a bit. At first I am already late to my business deals, and the second now I'm opening the second group for beginners and for experienced traders. If you're interested in getting signals, in studying and to begin a very profitable trader, first of all you need to just subscribe to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages. Just let me know and I'll tell you all the needed information. So don't be afraid, just write me down and tell me if you want to become one of the members of my society. And now I'm already late, so we need to. Okay, after a small break, now we can continue trading session. On this currency pair, we will open for increase. Let's take a look at the graph in more detail. The local minimum will be updated at his location. Accordingly, the chart will go up, but don't forget about other indicators. The alligator has already started to change direction, and the RSI isn't lagging behind. $118 on our pocket, but don't want to stop. Here the situation is resolved. I'll open for a downgrade and tell you why. There was a price correction and this point was formed. This is a local maximum. After that the chart will go down, the white unfold at the click, and we just have to wait. and more than $100 just in 1 minute. Can you believe it? Sounds like something incredible, I think. Here I'll open down and let's take a closer look at this situation in this area. There was a price fixing after which an upward trend began, but after such powerful candles, the chart always goes down. The grid lines of the alligator are still pointing upwards, but it's clear that there will be a reversal soon. The RSI hasn't yet had time to turn around in the screenshot, but while we are watching the progress of the transaction, everything will change. And $180 again of the profit, not millions of course, but every million consists of hundreds. Don't forget this. And I'll be for a price increase. If we look at it in more detail, then the price correction is noticeable. Local highs have been updated here, and the local minimum has been updated. I assume that at this point the minimum will be updated again. The chart will definitely go up, as well as the grid of the alligator, and of course the RSI, which is already begun to change direction. Another profit and another deal, disassembled in the smallest details. As you can see, all my strategies are working perfectly, and now I'm on the parking of the shopping mall, and maybe I'll show you how I'm going to shopping. Maybe, I'm not sure.